Unlock prosperity with a clean front door. Ever wondered if your front door could be the key to attracting more money and success? By giving it a thorough cleaning, you can invite more prosperity into your life. Start by wiping down your front door to remove any dust, dirt, or grime. This simple act symbolizes clearing out old energy and making room for new opportunities. Next, polish the door handle until it shines brightly, representing the opening of doors to wealth and abundance. To finish, add a touch of fresh flowers or a small plant near the door to invite positive energy and growth into your home. Just imagine how these easy steps can transform your financial life. If you're curious about how these straightforward actions can make a big difference, stay tuned until the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends and family to spread the message of prosperity. And don't forget to leave a comment below to express your gratitude and invite more positive energy into your life. How often do you clean your front door? Let this daily routine remind you that small actions can lead to big changes and open new doors of opportunity. Let's embark on this transformative journey together by recognizing the pivotal role our home plays in attracting prosperity. The first key to unlocking wealth is understanding that our home must be treated as a sanctuary of abundance. When we elevate our home into a sacred space, we create an environment where the energy of prosperity can flow effortlessly. It's often said that lack of money is linked to internal energy patterns, which are mirrored in the space we inhabit. No matter how much effort we put into external pursuits, financial struggles will persist until our home's energy aligns with wealth. Therefore, it is crucial to engage in rituals that positively impact the energy of our living space. Think about the act of cleaning your door as more than a mundane chore. It symbolizes clearing the path for wealth to enter your life. Every time you clean, you are removing blockages that hinder the flow of prosperity. Incorporating a famous saying, "A clean home is a happy home," we understand that cleanliness is not just physical, but also energetic. By decluttering and maintaining a tidy space, we set the stage for positive energy to thrive. This concept aligns with the law of attraction, which emphasizes the power of our thoughts and environment in shaping our reality. As you clean and organize, visualize wealth and success entering your home. This visualization practice, combined with physical action, strengthens your intention to attract prosperity. Regularly tending to your living space, ensuring it is clean, organized, and filled with positive energy, bridges the gap between your financial goals and their realization. 3 cleansing rituals to purify your home. In our fast-paced modern world, creating a harmonious and prosperous home environment can significantly impact our well-being and success. One way to achieve this is through cleansing rituals that purify your space and invite positive energy in. In this guide, we'll explore 3 powerful rituals: saltwater cleaning, bay leaf cleansing, and the strategic placement of herbs. Each of these practices, rooted in ancient wisdom and spiritual traditions, can help you attract wealth and abundance while fostering a balanced and harmonious living space. Let's delve into these transformative rituals and discover how they can enhance your home's energy. 1. Saltwater cleaning. If you want to bring more wealth and good energy into your life, trying a saltwater cleaning ritual might be a great idea. This is a simple but powerful method that can help clear away any negative energy blocking the flow of prosperity to your home. Salt water has been used in many cultures and spiritual practices for its purifying properties. It's believed to cleanse spaces of unwanted energies and create a more welcoming environment for positive vibes. Here's how you can use this ritual to attract wealth. Step 1. Prepare your salt water. Start by making a salt water solution. You only need a small amount of salt, ideally sea salt, and some water. Mix a few tablespoons of salt into a spray bottle filled with water. Shake it up until the salt is dissolved. Step 2. Cleanse your home. For 7 days in a row, use this salt water spray to cleanse the entrance of your home. Spray it around the door frame and the area just outside your door. This helps to create a barrier that repels negativity. As you spray, imagine a protective shield forming around your door. Picture it as a bright, glowing barrier that keeps out bad energy while inviting in positive energy and abundance. This mental image can help boost the effectiveness of the ritual. Step 3. Use positive affirmations. While you're spraying, say a positive affirmation out loud or in your mind. A good example is, "My home is a sanctuary of wealth and abundance." Repeat this affirmation daily during the ritual. It helps to reinforce the positive changes you are working to create. 2. Cleansing your home's entrance with bay leaves for wealth. Using bay leaves to cleanse your home's entrance is a simple yet powerful way to invite wealth and prosperity into your life. Bay leaves have been cherished for their association with luck and financial success, making them a great choice for this practice. Start by dipping a bay leaf in water, then use this mixture to gently clean the entrance of your home. This act goes beyond just cleaning. It's a meaningful ritual that draws in positive energy and abundance. As you cleanse the entrance, repeat positive affirmations about wealth such as, "Prosperity flows abundantly to me." These affirmations are more than just words. They are a clear statement of your desire to attract abundance. Consistently repeating these affirmations helps align your mindset with the energy of prosperity. Remember Buddha's wise words, "The mind is everything. What you think, you become." This quote reminds us that our thoughts shape our reality. By incorporating these affirmations into your daily ritual, you train your mind to focus on attracting wealth and success. Embrace this practice each day with the belief that you're opening the door to new opportunities and financial growth. The more you reinforce this positive mindset, the more you invite prosperity into your life. Keep this affirmation close and repeat it daily. I am open to receiving limitless abundance and wealth. By making this simple ritual a part of your routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a more prosperous future. Think about the power of this simple act. Have you ever noticed how a clean, welcoming entrance makes you feel more positive and open? Imagine amplifying that effect by infusing your space with the symbolic power of bay leaves. This practice not only cleanses your physical environment, but also sets a powerful intention for prosperity. Engage fully with this process and take a moment to reflect on the energy you are inviting into your home. How does this ritual make you feel? Do you notice a shift in the atmosphere around your entrance? Through the simple yet meaningful practice of cleaning your door with bay leaves, you harness both the physical and metaphysical power of this ancient symbol. This not only attracts positive energy, but also reinforces your commitment to welcoming prosperity into your life. 3. Enhancing wealth with herbal rituals. To truly enhance your financial intentions, consider a simple yet powerful ritual using herbs to boost your wealth manifestation efforts. Start with cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves, 3 herbs known for their strong energetic properties. As you handle these herbs, focus your energy and thoughts on your specific prosperity goals. Spread them methodically throughout your home, paying special attention to high-traffic areas and key entrances such as the living room, kitchen, and hallways. Place a small handful of these herbs in each corner of these areas, visualizing positive energy spreading and filling your entire space. While doing this, affirm aloud, "Abundance is present in every corner of this home," embedding your intentions deeply within your surroundings. This practice is similar to the Buddhist approach of mindful intention setting, where focused thoughts and actions bring about desired outcomes. The Dalai Lama wisely stated, "In order to carry a positive action, we must develop a positive vision," reminding us of the importance of a clear and optimistic mindset. Leave the herbs in place for at least 7 days. This duration allows their energetic properties to cleanse your space continuously and attract sustained abundance. During this time, you may notice a shift in your home's energy, a feeling of lightness, and an increased sense of optimism. After 7 days, collect the herbs and dispose of them respectfully, either by burying them in the ground or releasing them into running water. This act of respectful disposal not only completes the cycle, but also expresses gratitude for the prosperity they have helped bring into your life. This concept of gratitude aligns with the Buddhist practice of reverence for nature and the environment. By regularly engaging in such rituals, you are not only attracting wealth, but also cultivating a space filled with positive energy and mindfulness. This holistic approach to wealth attraction complements the principles of the law of attraction and ancient wisdom, offering a timeless practice for achieving your financial and personal goals. How can you incorporate this ritual into your daily routine? To maintain a positive flow of abundance throughout these rituals, embrace a mindset of gratitude and openness. Reflect on how each step affects you and the subtle changes you observe in your environment. Notice how cleansing and inviting positive energy can transform your perception of your home. Feel the shift in the atmosphere and your own mindset toward wealth and abundance. Engaging with these practices regularly helps create a continuous flow of positive energy that attracts financial prosperity into your life. Remember, the law of attraction thrives when your intentions are clear and your actions are consistent. By committing to these rituals, you're not just making physical changes to your space. You're also signaling to the universe your readiness to receive and manage wealth. This alignment of thought, action, and environment creates a powerful synergy that attracts abundance in all its forms. Stay motivated and keep this practice in your routine. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more empowering content. In conclusion, integrating these rituals into your daily routine can significantly enhance your ability to attract wealth and prosperity. The combination of saltwater cleansing, bay leaf attraction, and the amplified power of cinnamon, cloves, and bay leaves creates a holistic approach to manifesting abundance.